Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do another tasty little snack. This one's plant-based as well, so it's dairy-free. This snack is one from my childhood. My nana used to make this for us for an afternoon, for a snack along around afternoon tea, so just after school. So if you've got little kids who are potentially even picky eaters, try this out on them. I'll bet you they'll enjoy it. We are making Sheera. However, we're making it dairy-free today. Shira is basically a sweet made out of semolina with just a couple of ingredients. You'll be amazed at how tasty this turns out. So you're going to start with some semolina. I use coarse semolina. This is something that I pick up at the Indian grocery store, but I've also noticed supermarkets like Coles and Woolworths seem to carry it at the moment, so you might just be able to find it there. So that's a 1/4 cup measure. I've used a 1/2 cup in here, and we're going to dry roast this on medium heat till it's nicely toasted and it smells aromatic. So once you see that the color has just about started to change like so, we can now proceed with the recipe. What I'm going to do is, to the same pan, I'm going to add some coconut oil. This gives it a beautiful flavor. And quickly toss that through. Once that's mixed through, we're going to add some hot water. What I have is a kettle of water that's just recently come to a boil, and I'm going to add the water in a 1:3 ratio. We'd put in 1/2 cup of semolina, so we're going to use 1.5 cup of water. And be careful while you're pouring the water in, it can get a little agitated in the pot, on the pan. Stir that well, and all you're going to do now is reduce that to a simmer. Put the lid on and let it cook for a couple of minutes or till that water has been completely absorbed. Okay, so it's been about a minute and a half. Carefully open that up, and like you can see, most of that liquid's been absorbed. At this point, I'm going to add sugar. You can use as much or as little as you want. I've got about 3/4 of this 1/4 cup measure of sugar. And since I'm using it as a tea time snack, I'm not going to make it very sweet. I find that this amount of sugar is sweet enough for us. And you'll notice that the mix starts to loosen a bit as soon as the sugar goes in. At this point, I'm going to put in some sultanas. You can use raisins instead. If you're making it for little ones and you so desire, you can actually add a little bit of food coloring as well. My nana used to do that. At this point, we just eat it as it is. Okay, now you can see it's coming apart from the pan. That means your Shira is ready. We're going to turn that off. Lastly, I'm going to add some chopped nuts. I've got some cashew nuts here and some almonds. And right at the end, I'm going to add some ground cardamom or elaichi. But that goes in right at the end once you've turned the heat off. Now at this stage, you can fill it up in a bowl and unmold it if you'd like, or just serve this up in a little bowl. Sprinkle with a few more chopped nuts if you'd like. And there you have it. You've got your dairy-free Shira in literally minutes, ready to eat. I already know that this is going to taste absolutely brilliant. It's one of my go-to recipes when I'm looking for something quick and delicious. So let's just dig in. That slight hint of coconut is just brilliant, and the sweetness is just the way we like it. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you really soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.